Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change SIM to ringtone in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to sounds and vibration, okay, click this. And okay guys, here in sounds and vibration, okay, you can see below this SIM to ringtone. Okay, you all have to do is click this. Okay guys, here you can see option of tone here. Okay guys, you all have to do scroll down to see more of tones. And okay, I select the Joy. So okay guys, that's it. Your SIM to ringtone was changed. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.